What's going on, guys? It's Gerard. We're back and better than ever on the Backyard Mini Ramp. We got a special video today because it isn't a video I really planned to make. Christian, who you might recognize from some of the other videos, we did a 6-month progression. We did some of the trick progression videos together, like no stall revert. He's moving to Kentucky. So this is gonna be his last session with us on the mini ramp. So we are both giving blunt to fakie a chance, kind of a dream trick, having varying levels of success. And he's been getting his feeble to fakies on lock recently, so he thought, let's go for Pivot Fakie. Pivot Fakie is an advanced trick, so when you start going for it, you never know what's gonna happen, but I think he had a lot more success than really either of us thought, so let's check it out.
So we're out here, we're trying some tricks, we're getting freaking sweaty. I'm out with my buddy Gerard. I'm moving to Kentucky in a couple of days. This is like our last hurrah on the ramp here. And we decided to start going for some things we've never done. He's trying blunt fakie. I'm sure you'll see the video on how that goes. I'm trying some things, I'm trying blunt fakie a little bit. But out of nowhere, I'm just like, let me give pivot fakie a try. Never done it. Farthest I've ever gotten is feeble fakie. I just start trying it, start getting a little bit close. Gerard starts giving me the old pep talks, you can do it. All of a sudden, I'm this close. I'm hitting the coping, I'm flying off. Hopefully you'll see a couple of good falls. But all of a sudden, it comes out. Never thought I would get this trick in this session, just kind of was throw in, was just trying to have the best time. Definitely did that, and now this is like the cherry on top. Pulled out a trick I've never done before, and it just feels amazing, feels great. I cannot wait to build a ramp out in Kentucky and keep the progression going, but for now, this is a big win for me. I'm pretty stoked. That's it.
What's going on, guys? It's Gerard. We're back and better than ever.
It's like the hardest